Welcome to everyone. I am Mrs. K. Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to discuss about the subject of object-oriented programming using Python. In this, I am going to discuss about files. Files are used for storing the data for a long time in the memory. In generally, the files are divided into two different types. The first one is text file and second one is binary file. Text files, the structure of the characters are presented in the sequence of characters. In binary file, it is an executable file and compiled programs, and it stores the spreadsheets and compressed files and images. Functions of the files. The key function for working with a file in Python is open function. The open function takes the two parameters. The first one is in file and second one is in mode. There are four different modes are presented in opening the file. They are, the first one is read and second one is append, write and create. For read, we denote small r. For append, we denote small a. For write, we denote small w. For create, we denote as small x. Read is a default value that opens a file for reading, error if the file does not exist. Append, that opens a file for appending, that creates a file if does not exist. And third mode is write. It opens a file for writing and creates a file if does not exist. X, create the specified file and returns an error if the file is exist. In addition, you can specify if the file should be handled as a binary or text mode. Whether you want to specify the file mode in the binary file, you can mention like T. T is a default value for text mode, B is for binary mode. Example for images. The syntax for creating and opening the file is for F equal to open file name.txt. Second one is for it should be created with the write mode. Read mode. To read the text file in the Python, load the file by using the open function. Whenever you do the sum operation, first you have to open the file. F equal to open, inside the parenthesis, inside the quotes you have to mention the file name. The mode defaults to read text. Therefore, the following methods is equivalent to the default. F is equal to open. Inside the parenthesis and quotation, you have to mention the file name, comma, mode. To read the file in the binary mode, you have to rename as RB. RT that denotes the read the file in the text mode, RB that denotes the read the file in the binary mode. Add plus to open a file in a read and write mode. For example, F equal to open the file name, comma, R plus. R plus means that reads the textual read and write. Open file name, comma, RT plus. Same as above. That is, it opens in the textual read and write. And RB plus for binary read and write. So here we have to note it that R means that denotes only for read and write in a text file. RT plus is same as read and write in the text file. RB plus that denotes read and write in a binary mode. Next mode is write mode. The write mode creates a file for writing the content and places the pointer at the start. If the file exists, the write clears any existing information. To open the file for writing the information, F is equal to open. Inside the parenthesis within the quotes, we have to mention the file name with the extension, comma, the mode. We have to mention for write mode is W. The default mode is text, so the following lines are equivalent to the default. F is equal to open file name WT. WT means open the file in the text file. If it is in W mean write the file in the binary format. If add plus to allow reading in the files, W plus means textual write and read, WT plus means same as the textual write and read, RB plus means binary write and read. The open functions returns the file objects whose details depends on the chosen modes. Next mode is append mode. Append mode adds information to an existing file, placing the pointer at the end. So end of the file, if you can add the data. If the file does not exist, the append mode creates the file. So use one of the following lines for the opening the files in the append mode. F equal to open within the parentheses and within the quotes. You have to mention the file name, comma A. A is denotes as a text append. AT also same meaning for AB for appending in the binary mode. Second next mode is create mode. Create mode that exclusively for creating the files if does not exist. That positioning the pointer at the start of the file. The appending, the pointer will be in the end of the file. For creating the file in a create mode, the pointer should be in the start of the file. F is equal to open file name dot x. It is creates a text file. For creating the binary file, it should be an XB. So these are the different file methods. Close for close the file object, detach that will be separate the buffer from that text stream and returns the buffer, file number that returns the descriptors if available, and readable checks if the available if an object is unreadable, read number of characters at most, read line reads from the object until the new line or end of the file. Tell that prints the current stream functions, and writable checks whether the file allows for writing. Hope this video is useful for studying about files and files methods. Thank you.